Hey everybody, Sergio with the RideShare Guy. These weekend Sergio's Driving Diaries videos have become so popular that I'm doing another one today. But today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's not going to be about my earnings. It's going to be about a challenge that I'm going to issue to CEOs of Uber and Lyft, as well as all the employees who write these codes, the algorithms, and unleash it upon the driver community. Because all the code that's written in a dark room in San Francisco or wherever it is, the application of that to real life really is meaningless. I do this experiment quite a bit when I'm driving, to the passengers who are willing to listen to me. I ask them, do you know the CEO of Uber? Do you know the CEO of Lyft? They go, no. Well, they know me though. They know me for those 15 minutes. Or 20 minutes, or 5 minutes, whatever they are in my car. I am the face of the company. It is time that the executives and the employees of these companies put themselves in our shoes. And how's that done? That's done by driving, people. Get in your cars, full-time, part-time. But here's my challenge to both CEOs and all employees at Uber and Lyft. Get in your cars. Drive for a month, just a single month. It's not that long of a time out of your life. I know you have other things to do, and you're not hired to be a driver. I get that. But in order to understand what we go through on a daily basis, you must do this. And on top of that, here's my challenge to you. I will do the same if you guys accept this challenge. Drive for a month, give up your salary, or forego your salary, or better yet, donate your monthly salary to a fallen victim of rideshare violence, to a driver's GoFundMe page. I will do the same. Promise. And after a month, we'll see where we are. We'll see if we have earned your respect as drivers. But besides that, when you do drive, okay, you will completely understand why we're complaining. I promise you, Uber, Lyft CEOs, and all the employees. The other thing that I want this to accomplish is respect. A lot of people make money, put food on their tables, driving for Uber and Lyft. I get it. An opportunity has been created. But I think the disconnect between the executives and employees of Uber and Lyft and the driver community is as wide as I've ever seen it. I'm just trying to bridge the gap. So, let's summarize the challenge again. The CEOs of Uber and Lyft have done a lot of PR saying that they're out there driving. In fact, the CEO of Lyft said he's not out there for the earnings. He's out there for the learnings. I love that quote. It's great. He's learning. But what is being done about it? The same thing was done by the CEO of Uber 6 months ago, all over Wall Street Journal. He says, look, I'm driving. I'm in my car. I'm experiencing. I'm changing things. Well, Mr. Khashoggi, you were doing Uber Eats. You almost got run over by a car. And you were tip baited. And guess what? Tip baiting is still happening today. What happened to the learning part of the experience? It's not working out, is it? Again, you guys writing some code in a dark office somewhere and applying it to real life is really, really difficult. I hope you guys understand that. So, here's the last minute summary of the challenge. All Uber employees, whoever is going to undertake this, forgo your salary for a month or donate it. Definitely donate it to a fallen victim of rideshare violence. Make the money that you're going to make for 1 month, single month, and try to pay your bills that way. Try to put food on the table that way. Try to pay your car note. Try to pay your insurance. Try to buy gas. Live like we do for just 1 single month. It's not that hard. It could be done. And I will do the same. Okay? Now, I think this is enough. So challenge issued. If you guys accept it, please get in touch with me, Sergio at therideshareguy.com. We will communicate, we will publish your numbers, what your earnings were for a month. Not just few trips, not just for a photo op, not just for PR purposes. Real deal driving on the street, whatever city you're in. You could be in LA, you could be in San Francisco, you could be in New York, wherever you are. Just show good faith that you are able to understand what we go through on a daily basis. Now, to end this, please go to our website, www.therideshareguy.com, and sign up to our newsletter. It's free. Free is good these days, people. Free is good. On top of that, join us every Tuesday on Show Me the Money Club. Chris and I are doing great work. 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern on the RideShare Guy YouTube channel. And I wish all of you to stay healthy and be safe out there.